Hey everyone, it's Sarah with registerednursern.com, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to wear and take off a mask. First, let's talk about some of the common mistakes that people make whenever wearing a mask like this. One common mistake that people make is that when they wear the mask, they will wear it under the nose. Another common mistake is that people will fail to seal the top of the mask around the nose and cheeks. In addition, people will sometimes fail to pull the mask under the chin. People also wear the mask upside down or backwards. And finally, while wearing the mask, people will sometimes touch the front of the mask, which is considered contaminated. Now let me give you some tips on how to wear the mask. So first, you need to determine which part actually goes over your nose, this part or that part. So to do that, what you want to do is you want to feel along those edges. And what you're feeling for is like a metal type band that's sewn into the mask that's easily flexible, that can fit over your nose, and that's the top part. Next, what you want to do is you want to determine which part of the mask is the front versus the back. And there's two ways you can do this. And if you're using a mask with ear loops, you can look at the ear loops, and where they are sewn at, this will be the area that goes on the face. So on this mask, they're sewn here, so this is the part that goes over my face. Also, you can look at the pleats of the mask and look at how they are pointing. When the pleats are pointing downward, this is the part that goes on the outside, versus the pleats that are pointing upward, that's the part that's going to touch your face. Before we put on a mask, we want to perform hand hygiene. When using a face mask with ear loops, place each loop over the ears. Then grasp the nose piece of the mask and bring it to cover the bridge of the nose. Then mold the nose piece of the face mask with the fingertips of both hands by starting at the bridge of the nose and work outward toward the cheekbone. Then grasp the nose piece of the face mask and pull the bottom of the mask under the chin. When removing the mask, it's important to remember that the front of the mask is considered contaminated. Therefore, grasp the ear loops of the mask with the fingertips and remove from the face. Dispose or clean and store for future use the mask per facility's protocol, and then perform hand hygiene. Okay, so that wraps up this video on how to wear and take off a mask. And don't forget to check out the other videos in this nursing skills series.